Hey, it's Jeff at Sweet Sounds, Mankato, Minnesota here. Our friends from Kia of Mankato brought in this slightly used 2019 Kia Sportage. Came in because a customer purchasing this car wanted the ability to use Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and the original radio in here did not. Now, first off, this vehicle did come with a factory backup camera. So it's important that we don't lose that capability. So part of what we had to do was integrate the new radio along with that. Of course, we're able to retain steering wheel controls also and USB functionality. So if I operate the steering wheel controls, volume up, volume down, and all the other buttons regarding the radio, we're able to be retained. Now, this is Sony's AX5500, one of their higher end units, 3-year factory warranty, has the WebLink mobile on it. Really, really nice unit. Of course, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. In order to hook those up, you need to be able to hook up through a USB cable. So what we did was, behind here used to be a cigarette lighter plug. We took the cigarette lighter plug out and we installed a USB connector that will allow Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, occasionally we get the question is, well, how come you don't retain the factory one? And the reason for that is the factory ones are not normally capable of moving enough data to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and you run into considerable problems. So we install a new connector for that, allow that to work. Radio fit finish looks fantastic in the dashboard, and like I mentioned, if we go ahead and shift this into reverse, you will see the backup camera. Once again, that's the image from the backup camera from the factory that you're seeing on there. And if we turn the steering wheel, you can see the lines still moving. So we were able to retain that portion of it also. So if you're looking at getting some work done in a new or used vehicle, check out the experts here at Sweet Sounds, Mankato, Minnesota, for your newest technology upgrades. Check us out on our website, sweetsounds.com.